Welcome to the Word of Gab podcast. I am Gab, your mid-20s fun tita with a resting bitch face. This podcast is all about adulting lessons and stories in my journey to being a responsible adult while fostering healthy relationships, spreading positivity and confidence, and enjoying coffee. No pressure. You can do anything as you listen to this pod. You can work, do laundry, wash the dishes, or maybe just chill with me while you take a sip from your favorite drink. So, let the stories begin. Hello and welcome back to the Word of Gab podcast. And we are down to our last lesson. Wow, this has been a journey, no? And thank you. Thank you if you've been here since lesson number 12 and we are now down to lesson number 1. It's both an accomplishment for us because I've published this and you listen to it. And I hope you learned, kung hindi man lahat ng 12, I hope you learned something from those 12 lessons that I've learned from 2022. So, number 1 lesson is that honesty is still the best policy. Nung bata pa lang tayo, tinuturuan na tayo na huwag magsinungaling. Tanda mo pa yung mga sayings dun sa taas ng blackboard sa classroom? Uso yun eh. Madalas, diba, honesty is the best policy. Growing up, akala natin applicable lang to para sa mga taong nakakausap natin, sa mga taong nakakasalamuhan natin, pero ang hindi natin alam ay dapat ina-apply din natin to sa sarili natin. So this episode is all about being honest to yourself. And if you remember in my past episode, I said that I don't believe in the fake it till you make it quote, diba? The reason that I don't believe in that saying is because for me, it's you lying to yourself. It's you saying that you really can't do it and you're just faking it until you fail completely, until someone calls your bullshit. And I think that's one of the reasons why we struggle with imposter syndrome. Kasi after natin i-fake it and then remake it, we feel like it's not us, diba? We feel like hindi naman ako yun eh, kasi nga pineke mo. Kasi you had this another persona na gumagawa ng mga yun. So, there are days na naiisip mo na, hindi naman talaga ako magaling, hindi naman talaga ako matalino, hindi naman talaga ako talented, hindi ko talaga deserve kung ano man yung meron ako ngayon, kasi hindi naman ako to. But for today, I want you to be honest with yourself. Let's be aware of your capabilities, of our capabilities. So, for me, I finally accepted that I can sing, I can draw, I am imaginative and creative, but not all the time. I am moody, I'm sassy, I'm bitchy, and I've already accepted this phrase or this sentence that a friend of mine long ago has told me. She said that mabuti ka, hindi ka mabait. And I'm okay with that. I may not be nice, but I am good. So, why did I choose this lesson to be the last lesson for this 12-part series and the first lesson for 2023? Because for 2023, let's choose to be honest to ourselves. Hindi lang yun sa mga good things na kaya natin gawin, even with the bad things that we've been doing. For example, kung dati naniniwala ka sa fake news, okay, sige. As long as ngayon, aminado ka na fake news yung mga pinaniniwalaan at kinakalat mo, and you're willing to do something about it. On another note, baka ikaw ay isang toxic na tao. Napansin mo na noong 2022 or ng mga past years, wala kang ibang ginawa kundi manghingi and was very selfish to the point where they choose to let you go. The reason why I'm proposing to be more honest by 2023 is because being honest will help us be more accountable and move towards our lives. It would help us build what needs to be built, kung pagiging mas pasensyoso ba, or pagfa-fact check, or being more aware on how you treat your loved ones or the people around you. Kasi kapag alam mo na at aminado ka na sa mga nagawa mo, alam mo na yung susunod na hakbang para di na ito maulit, diba? So open your eyes and your mind about everything you see around you and within you. Because 2023 is the year of truth. And I firmly believe that whoever chooses to deny the truth and actively bend the truth for their sake will have bad karma come their way sooner than they think. So my challenge for you is to be more honest and accepting with who you are and be more accountable with the past mistakes. Nag-sorry ka sa kailangan pag-sorryan, cut off people na kailangan i-cut off kung talagang hindi na sila pwede sa'yo. Kasi this final lesson applies to all the past lessons that I've mentioned. You have to know what's really happening within you and outside. Because if not, hindi mo ma-apply na maayos yung mga lessons na yun. Kasi your judgment would be skewed. Anywho, that's me, and this is the end of this 12-part series, and I wish you a bountiful 2023, and I'll see you soon. Bye! Thank you so much for spending your precious time with me, and I want to hear your thoughts, so feel free to message me on Instagram or on Facebook at Word of Gab Podcast. You can follow, like, and share. As always, I want to remind you that when someone tries to dim your light, blind them. See you next time. Bye!